Grape growing in Portugal has been present since at least the 8th century BC, and the country is blessed with a climate and soils ideal for the production of red wine. Birds on a Wire is produced under the watchful eye of a talented consulting enologist, and the flavor of this uniquely Portuguese red blend is impossible to forget. A perfectly ripe, lovely, fresh and fruity wine with a voluptuous texture and ripe tannins. Red wine production has always played an important role in the Portuguese cultural identity, and the wines have acquired an enormous amount of national prestige and importance. Wines like Birds on a Wire are considered the jewels of the entire country, a treasured resource and revered symbol of pride.